Good afternoon, class. Today, we would like to share you our expertise assignment on the role of logistics in supply chain management and firm's performance. My name is Marisa Rosley.
And I am Soprinye.
In recent years, supply chain management has continued to play a key role in the strategic decisions of many organizations. Many organizations are aggressively focusing on improving supply chain management in order to meet up with customer needs and the organization's own need for profitable growth. According to Alexander Ellinger, the supply chain involves all activities associated with the flow and the transformation of goods from the raw material stage through to the end user. Supply chain management is the integrations of these activities through improved inter- and intra-firm relationships to achieve sustainable competitive advantage. Many experts have underscored the importance of logistics as an integral part of supply chain management. Morash et al. Define logistic capabilities as those attributes, abilities, organizational processes, knowledge and skills that allow a firm to achieve superior performance and sustain competitive advantage over competitors. Specific logistic process and practices need to be planned effectively to ensure undisrupted flow of materials from suppliers to customers. This also ensures the availability of the right quantity of good at the required place at the appropriate hour, thereby enhancing the value proposition across each stage in the value stream. Many companies have gained and continue to gain competitive advantage from the implementations of powerful, information technology-driven logistic solutions to their distribution systems. An excellent example of this phenomenon is Walmart Corporation distribution strategy. Walmart has consistently made improvements to its bottom line by streamlining its distribution operations to better serve its customers. And now here is an example of Walmart's efficient distribution system.
And now we are going to look at the various aspects of logistics. The first aspect involves warehousing. A warehouse is not just for storing goods. It is to handle integrated flow processes within a company's internal supply chain. Warehousing systems, as a major logistics function, helps provide functionality in order to reduce the risk of higher inventory carrying costs and obsolescence. Using computer technology in the management of warehousing improves efficiency and faster delivery of orders of inventory at a lower total cost. The next aspect is inventory, which talks about how much stock we should hold. Inventory has both positive and negative effects on the cost incurred by the management, as with more inventory, our inventory cost goes high, whereas with less amount of inventory, we may encounter stockouts, by which we lose our customers. In order to gain global competitive advantage and to obtain a stable position in the market for one's product, we need to have an optimum inventory, which will involve developing operational excellence in sales forecasting, in which we need to take some decisions. 1. How much to order? 2. When should we order? Which is based on time, quantity, or a combination of both. Another important aspect of logistics is transportation. Transportation determines the efficiency of moving products and takes a crucial part in the manipulation of logistics. By means of a well-handled transport system, goods could be sent to the right place at the right time in order to satisfy customers' demands. In addition, a good transportation system in logistics activities brings benefits not only to service quality but also to a company's competitiveness. Lastly, we shall consider the order cycle time. The total order cycle time refers to the time in between the receipt of customer's order until the delivery of finished goods to the customer. A reduction in order cycle time leads to reduction in supply chain response time, and as such is an important performance measure and a source of competitive advantage for the firm.
Finally, we will now talk about some of the benefits of logistic capabilities to the firm. The first one is customer-focused capabilities. A firm logistic capabilities can help provide it with differentiated products and services in a way that meets and exceeds customer expectations, thereby enhancing customer loyalty and repeated purchase. The second one is supply chain management capabilities. The benefit to the firm in this area includes reductions in the total cost of manufacturing or servicing, generating system optimal utilizations of resources, and minimal total distribution cost, thereby making the firm more profitable. Next is the measurement capabilities. These refer to the manner in which the firm monitors internal and external operations in a bid to address any bottleneck that may affect the efficiency and effectiveness of its operation. And finally, information exchange capabilities. This indicates the effectiveness with which a firm collects, stores, and distributes tactical and strategic information both internally and externally to achieve competitive advantage.